Hello, my very good friends. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing great. How has it been with you? I hope you're good. Yes, I am good. Thank you. My name is Damilola. Today, we are going to be learning about the initial letter sounds and w. And w. We're going to learn two today, yes. So let's go on, but be ready. Settle down as I speak, okay? So we can be fast at what we're doing today. So we go on to our mummies and daddies. Hi, mummies. Hi, daddies. Good to see you again as always. Today, I want to also request, as always, that you please subscribe and like, as well as share this channel to your friends so we can have more children coming and learn what we're learning here. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.
I go to school. I meet my friends. And we all say, hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. Hey! Every day I go and play. I meet new friends. And we all say, hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. Hey! La 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 Hey!
Great. Well done, everyone. Good rhyme there. I enjoyed myself. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I did. Okay, so let's go on straight to finding out what initial letter sound means. We're still talking about or learning about the initial letter sounds V and W. Okay, so what does initial letter sound means to you? Who can tell me? Beginning. Good job. Well done. And what again? First. So you have initial, first, and beginning. The three of them means the same thing. Good. So let's see. Yeah. Can you see it there? Yes, that's it. They all means the same thing. Initial letter, beginning letter sound, first letter sound. All of them means the same thing. Now let's try out some examples. Okay, and see. Okay, what's this? A watch. Good. A watch. Where do you wear it? Your wrist. Beautiful. Wrist. That's where you wear it, your wrist. This is your wrist. This is your wrist. Okay, you wear it here. So it makes you look elegant, beautiful, good. And then, but majorly, what do you use it for? Use it to tell time. Beautiful. We all need to know what the time is so we can do whatever we want to do quickly. It tells you the time, and the name is watch. That's a watch. And the beginning letter sound, first letter sound, initial letter sound is what? Wa. Good. Wa. You can see wa. All right? This is wa. Good. Now let's check this out. I love the I love the ovation. Violin. Yes, violin. Beautiful. What do you use it for? To make music. Okay. So it produces some musical sounds. Beautiful. Well done. So you see, it is an instrument, a musical instrument used, to produce music. The sound is musical. Well done. So this is violin. You see, this is a violin, and you use it to make music. And this is a watch, and you wear it round your wrist. Well done. So let's go on. Now we want to sound out the initial letter sound. You need to look at my mouth because we're making the sound together, and repeat after me. Good. Beautiful. Brilliant children. Well done. So let's do that again. Take it up and I'll repeat after you. Good. Good. And beautiful. And finally, okay, beautiful. Well done. So those are the sounds that it makes. Now let's go and see if we can practice it. So we want to associate the initial letter sound to objects. What's this? Flowers. Flowers. So it's a verse. A verse. Good. So when you hear verse, what's the first sound you hear? Verse. Verse. Can you hear the sound? Verse. Beautiful. So that's a verse. And the initial letter sound there is in ink. Okay, and this is it. Verse. This is a verse. Beautiful. You can see how that is done. Good. Let's try another one. So, okay, I'm hearing bus. Bus. It is a van. 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 Say that again. Van. As the initial letter sound. As the initial letter sound. Okay, the first initial letter sound. Okay, so you can see van, but the first sound there is beautiful. Well done. Still associating letter sound with corresponding object. So what is this? Okay, you can see quite a number of things there, yes, but what do you call this? Vegetables. 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 Beautiful. There are so many, things here, but they are all called vegetables. They are all known as vegetables. Beautiful. So when you say vegetables, what's the first sound that comes to you? The first sound. Beg your pardon, I need to go back. The first sound that comes to you is or vegetables. Vegetables. Beautiful. Let's move on. So we're going on to the next letter sound now, which is the letter sound W. Letter sound W. I'm going to sound it and you repeat it after me. Okay? Make sure you're participating. Here they are. Repeat after me. W. 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 I'll do it again. W. 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 Okay, can you make a trial? Can you try? I'll repeat after you. W. Good. W. Good. W. Well done. W. W. Brilliant. Well done. So that's the sound. Let's go on and associate them with objects now. So, beautiful. What is this? Who knows what this is? What is this? Do you know what this is? Wagon. Good. This is a wagon. A beautiful wagon. What do you do with a wagon? You carry load with a wagon. Good. See this place? That is where the load stays. This is a wagon. It's a wagon. That's it. Now, you can see it. The first sound there. What is it? This one here. I'm putting my red pen. It's not colored in red ink. Somehow think it's a mistake. Okay, but this is the first sound. So what's the sound you hear when you say wagon? W. Good. W is the first sound and it's wagon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well done. Let's go on to another object. Okay, so this is a wheelchair. Good. It is a wheelchair. Okay, where do you normally find this? You can actually find it anywhere, but who sits on it? Who are the kind of people that sit on it? People who cannot walk. Okay, so they are sick somehow. Maybe their legs are paralyzed or they are sick and don't have enough strength. So they sit on this wheelchair. Can you see wheelchair? And so the first sound you hear when you say wheelchair is W. Again, W. Again, W. Beautiful. And this is it here. That's the sound. Beginning sound, first sound, or initial sound. Well done. So, W for wheelchair. Let's see if we still have something else. Oh, okay. Whoa. Guys in the house, boys, what is this? Girls, can you help us? Okay, that's a name. There's another name. Wallet. Good. Wallet is another name. Wallet. Brilliant. So what do you use wallet for? You put your money. Good. So your money goes inside here or here. Okay. Or inside of this. That's what wallet is used for. Here it is. This is the name, wallet. When I say wallet, what's the first sound you hear? What's the beginning sound you hear? What is the initial sound you hear from wallet? Wa. Again, wa. Again, wa. Beautiful. So this is a wallet. These are wallets. They're actually two. Brilliant. Well done, everyone. So these are objects that begin with the initial letter sound wa. So let's see. Now we have come to a very important aspect of this lesson, and that is the tracing of the letters. Tracing of the letter. And the first one we're going to do is we will trace the letter sound. Again, letter sound v. Beautiful. This is the letter sound v. Great job. So, well, that's the first thing you do. Look at it. You have one here. You have two here. What is it telling you? It's telling you where to start and then how to proceed. Okay? You begin from number one, trace the dotted lines, and then go to two. From number two, trace the dotted lines and move up. Beautiful. So that is very, very beautiful. Well done. Okay? Good. So I get my pen. You will get your own pencil. And we start from this place. Pay attention. Look at the directionality. When you put your pencil on paper, this will tell you the direction it should go. So in this case, it's dotted lines, slants, a slanting position. That is where it is. That's the first, line we draw. And when you get to two, you move upwards. Beautiful. Can you see? So it is to this direction and you go upwards. That's so beautiful. Well done. So let's get the others out. Okay. Brilliant. So let's go back, pick our pen, and do justice to this. So this is longer. Now we're going to have to work with this. So the first slant downwards, and then you go up. Beautiful. Have to be intentional. Good. So let's go on to the second one. First slant, and then you go up. I have to do this again. Sorry. There's something wrong there. Start from the beginning and finish it up. Can you see? You're going up another slant, but this ends up beautiful. It's beautifully done. That's how to do it. Okay? Well done, everyone. So it's actually, so that's how to go. You begin from the upper left, okay, but in a slanting way. Your first line comes and then you go the slanting way, the opposite side. Your dash, 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 John. First slanting and then second slant upwards. First slant, second slant upwards. Brilliant there. Well done. Good. So now we go to the second. Okay. I still have something to erase them. So we're still going on with tracing. So we're tracing the letter sound W. Now we've done V. Beautiful. You can see it there. So let's pick our pen again, the numbers, but this one has plenty numbers. See one, you slant, first slanting, you go up, a slant to the right, you go down again, and then finally up. That's for the wa. Okay, so let's see. First slant, up, down, up. You said, okay, I'll do that again so you watch. It's actually easy if you follow through. So let's go. Slant one down, two goes up, three down, and four goes up. And you said, brilliant. So let's bring the others down. Okay, that's, another, it's still wa. Okay, still wa. I want you to use this to be able to control. See how easy it will be for you to control your movement, your hand movement. So this is it. Just follow the dotted lines, go up as if you're writing a U, W, okay? You pick it again, and I have to do this again. I must join the dotted lines. I will join the dotted lines. So, okay, let's go. Up and up. Okay, still not too good. All right, let's go the last round. Dot, dot, dot to join, down, come up, and beautiful. That's it. So, you always must get it right. So, it's a curve and a curve, another curve round, or in a zigzag manner, like we did the first one. Beautiful. So well done, everyone. Now let's move on to where you have to write it all by yourself. And what you have is just the, starting points that you're given, and that's what you're going to use to go your route. So we start with the V. Remember, it's a slant from the left-hand side down, and then you slant up. Okay? As if you're joining your two elbows. Okay, let's go. A first slant, and it goes up. Okay? That's one. And you say? Beautiful. Very easy to write. Can you say it? Well done. Well done, everyone. So it's easy to write. Let's go and do the work. And let's see how easy that is going to be. Again, you have your dotted lines to work with. Let's pick our pen and make so this time we're going twice. Okay. You could do this one, or you do this one. Both are going upward. So whichever one, okay, can you see? So let me erase it and let's do the two from beginning to the end. So let's continue with this. If it says this, you go like this. You see? Good. But you can also do the other one, the other style. So any of those would pass. Just make sure you write them well, not in a capital letter form. So the second one is this. Cow, mother cow, cows, and another cows. That's it. So a lot of practice would help. You see? Beautiful. Okay. So let's do one more time. Okay. So you're going to do this one now. That's your first W. Your second W. Your third W. The more you practice, the better you become at it. The more you practice, the better you get at it. You must practice and practice and practice. Okay? You see? Beautiful. Well done, everyone. Now let's go on to the final slide or assignment for today, and that is identifying objects and giving me the initial, first, or beginning letter sound. You must make the sound for me to hear. Make first sound of each object as I project it, but identify the object first. So what does this look like? I love that. Water, beautiful. This is water, water, water. Can you see the drop? The water is dropping. Already you have some on the floor and now, or in a somewhere, but this is water. And now it's being added. It's getting more and more. But this is water. Now, what's the first sound you hear in water? Wah, wah. Good. Beautiful. How about this? How about this? Vegetables. 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 What's the first sound? Vegetables. Vegetables. Beautiful. And then this. Yes, you didn't see this coming, isn't it? Wolf. Beautiful. Wolf. It's a wolf. You see, it's making that sound. Wolf. Ooh. That's what it's doing. Wolf. So what's the first sound you hear? Excuse me, in wolf. Oh, oh, beautiful. Well done. Well done. And this? Watch. 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 What's the first sound for watch? Wah. Again? Wah. Beautiful. And this? Violin. 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 Beautiful. First sound for violin. Again. So let's go over and mention the names and say the first sound. This is water, water, water. And the first sound is w. Vegetable, vegetables, vegetables. First sound is wolf, wolf, wolf. The first sound is wo, 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 wo. Good. And this is watch, watch. First sound is wa, wa, wa. And then this violin, violin. First sound is brilliant attempts there by all of you. Well done, everyone, for doing a good job. I love your interactions, the way you had interacted, everybody making an attempt to say something. Well done, everyone. And so we have come to the end of today's class. And I want to personally say I appreciate you and thank you for coming. Bye-bye.